जरूर स्टार्ट करना है।
Good morning, welcome to Dr. BKM Institutes. Here I am, as per your request. I am doing a role play of nursing for OET coaching, and our contact number for any query is the same 076 967 34256. So, here I am with this role play. It's about worry management, that a patient has undergone mastectomy and she is really upset about her physical image. So how can we make her feel better, and how can we tell her that she will recover fine and she would be fine in the future? So this is what it is all about. So first of all, you need to do, being a nurse, you need to pacify the patient that she has taken the right decision, because the first thing she will come up with, no, nurse, that I'm feeling really bad. I regret my decision. I had breast cancer and that's why I decided for this mastectomy, but now I regret my decision. Then being a nurse, you should say, don't worry, we are here to help you and you have taken the right decision, because you were having breast cancer. As you underwent this surgery, this has saved your life. So this decision was really fine. So then after this thing, she would let you know about her other problems, that she is unable to cope up with her body image. Then you should say that there are many other kind of possibilities, like there are many surgeries, like there are breast implants, there are other kinds of surgeries like prosthesis which can be used, which can help you to improve yourself and to improve your body image. You can use all these techniques. For this, I will fix your appointment with the specialist. He or she will explain you each and everything about this. Then the next question is that you need to tell her about the exercises. So you can also tell the patient that for the stress management, you can do yoga or meditation, followed by some exercises that would be taught to you by physiotherapist. You can do some mild and passive exercises as per the guidance of physiotherapist. So it's about covering the role play step by step, and you need to wait for the patient. When there is a patient of anxiety, fear, worry, it is very important to listen to the patient. For common conversation, first of all, how speaking task goes is, first of all, you ask, could you please tell me what exactly is bothering you? Then patient tells you about different things, that this thing is bothering me, that is bothering me. Then you say, before I can help you, I need to ask you some questions. So you ask some questions, that do you smoke, do you drink, do you exercise, do you go for this thing, do you do exercise? So you ask these questions. Have you suffered from any medical problem in the past? Is there any family members suffering from the similar kind of disease? So you ask about the family history. So you ask about past medical history. So for past medical history, the best way of questioning is, have you suffered from? And then for the family history, is there any family members suffering from the same problem? So these are the questions you ask. Then you say, after listening to you and after collecting the information, I think you are having. So now up to this point, you have asked the question, so you know that you think about this thing. So what you do next is you examine the patient. So you say, now I would like to examine you. So then you say, after examination, I have found. This is the difference. When you are a nurse, you say, after asking question, I think you are having. Then after examination, you say, I have found. So this is the difference. And then you say, after examination, I have found that you are having this and this thing. Then you jump on to the last point. Now I would like to tell you about the suggestions. First of all, you should do this thing. Kindly don't do that thing. Kindly avoid smoking. And then in the last, you say, I reassure you that everything will be fine. And in the last, I am giving you this pamphlet. It contains all the information regarding your problem. You can go through this pamphlet, and if you have any query, then you can contact us anytime. So this is the way OET role play goes. Like first you ask question, then you examine, then you give treatment or to tell about the management. This is how you need to do as per your nursing role play. The most important thing is that you need to act as a nurse, not as OET examiner, examination taker. Like you should be more precise with your speaking, that your tone is like a nurse. It should be more of advisory tone. That is the most important part of OET speaking. So please follow these instructions. If you will have any problem, you can leave your queries and we are here to help you. Dr. BKM Institutes and contact number 76967342256 for any kind of query regarding OET. You're most welcome. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you.